So there's 4 cameras mounted on the car for the license plate reader system. It's pretty good as far as getting the correct plates. What they do is they take a picture of the license plate and then it basically queries the registered owner of the license plate. And then I have other cars.
I'm one of the chase vehicles.
Positioned either in front or behind me.
I'm gonna set up a little bit east of him.
They'll attempt to locate the cars that I call out. Eastbound, I got a gray Acura.
So it's that one right there that just passed us.
Stop the car.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance? Can I see that, please? Thank you.
Verify the information, make sure the plate matches the car. Basically run their own records check on the driver and the car.
The license plate reader went off on it and said it was a driver's license restraint. So it looks like on here, so she has a suspended driver's license. There's a phone number on here for DMV, so we'll give her a ticket for the suspended driver's license, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
All right, hope you have a good night, okay?
Westbound, I got a silver Mercedes.
81 Edward in service on an arrest.
I can be on any screen on the computer, and if it hits on a license plate, it'll pop up.
It's a pretty successful system. It's pretty easy to use. It can just kind of run in the background while we're doing other stuff. It looks like your driver's license was canceled. Were you aware of that?
Eastbound, I have a white Oldsmobile sedan. We found suspects with misdemeanor and felony warrants. We found hit and run suspects.
Do you have the registration and insurance as well?
A lot of people with revoked driver's license, habitual traffic offenders.
She has an unpaid ticket from Denver police in 2014, so they canceled her driver's license. And I suspect she knows that because she said she just got a ticket a few days ago. So this is going to be your ticket for driving without a license. The majority of them are those driver's license restraints. So it's obviously an issue that we have out here.
Eastbound, stopped at the red light at Pecos. I got a white Ford Explorer.